All right, after that long Mickey run, we're going to switch it up now, right? So we're going to Star Wars?
Yeah.
Now, here's what people don't know. Your mommy is here in the other room. Linda, pick a number between 1 and 5.
7. Oh, sorry. 3. Let's go with 3.
Pick a number between 1 and 5. She said 7.
3.
So, okay. Let's...
Come in here.
I hope that got captured on the audio track. That's going to be amazing. All right. Oh, real quick, Star Wars. We have the same thing, just like the Mickey that we started off with, right? 3 Ultra Grails, and we only the top Grail. So let's see. Luke, Leia, and all the Ultras. You know what would be amazing if we open this and we get serial number 7? Then that would be awesome. Okay. Man, we went from that like happy cartoon Mickey to this awesome sci-fi. Look at this Holocron. I love it. Big music, big experience. You feel the Force? Feeling it?
Magic Force.
Magic Force. We're using the Force. And it's Fun Boy Luke.
You can't use the Force.
Okay, maybe our forces canceled each other out. We only need 1 force.
Yeah.
Oh, see? That's what we did. We used 2 forces and we screwed it up.
Yeah.
All right. 1. Hey, pick a number between 1 and 4. That's not 7.
2.
Okay.
What'd you say?
2.
What was the question?
Pick a number between 1 and 4. That's not 7.
I didn't pick 7.
Oh my God.
But not on purpose.
Come on. All right. Who's in the Force? Me or you?
Me.
Okay, you. Wait, the light side or the dark side of the Force? Who are you? Good guy or bad guy?
Dark side.
The dark side?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Take that!
Grail Vader! I mean, we have a Grail Vader, but it's still another Grail!
Let's open it!
Let's open it. All right, we don't have that open.
I open.
Huh? Okay, we're going to check the serial. Ooh, 128. That's probably not the one we're going to open. So let's go back to these guys. Who do we have open here? And oh, yeah. All right. So, oopsie. Nope, not that one. All right, let's go over to Star Wars. Okay, where is our Grail Vader? No. We gotta go back a page. Oh, 651. Oh, and 564. Oh, shit, Nick, we have... Oops. That's our 3rd Grail Vader. How do you like that? 128, that's low. All right, so 651. That's the one then, huh?
We're opening which one?
This one, the highest number, 651.
This is the highest. Oh, no, this
Grail. Oh, look, 564.
Yeah.
Read them. Look.
Brain fart.
Yeah, really.
I must have.
See? The dark side of the Force is messing with your mind. All right.
Like Anakin.
Like Anakin. That's right. That's how he turned into this monster. All right, let's watch it. Look at him. Scarred up head. Should we bring him to life? Oh, my God. Maybe we should do that. He's a bad guy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Oh.
We already
Look
did
at him. Oh, that is terrifying.
Yeah, that's terrifying.
Okay, listen, if you go to Mommy's and he kills me in my sleep, I just want you to know, this was your idea to open this monster.
Okay, I'm hiding. I'm not here.
Yeah, exactly. All right. We'll see what's next.
Creepy.